Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we lost another degree over the last hour. We're at 66. That feels so nice and so different than the 70 degree, 75 degree, 78 degree temperatures that we had during the morning hours last week. We have a dew point value that is also pretty low, coming in at 62. I think as we head into the next several days, we'll watch that dew point value raise just a little bit, and our morning temperatures raise just a little bit as well, but they'll still be hugging the 70 degree mark as opposed to the 78 degree mark. So it's still going to feel comfortable, even though our humidity will rise just a little bit over the next several days. It will rise quite a bit as we head into Thursday and into Friday. For today, we'll watch our temperatures climb steadily up to about 85. We'll have a mix of sun and fair weather clouds, particularly in the second half of the day. But no rain, no rain. The clouds that you see will be fair weather clouds. Across the peninsula, quiet conditions, radar not picking up a drop, and that's the way it's going to be all day long today. Don't expect to see much later this afternoon. But we will watch throughout the week an area of low pressure that may be developing in this cluster of rain showers that we see off the coast of Texas. Also, there's a hurricane in the Pacific. Willa is actually a very major hurricane, 155-mile-an-hour winds, a strong storm lifting northward toward the coastline of Mexico, but forecast to kind of decrease a little bit in intensity as it lifts northward. Nevertheless, it will still probably make landfall as a major hurricane. Crossing the mountainous regions of central Mexico, it will destroy the structure of this system. As it lifts into Texas, however, it could produce some more rainfall and tap into that low that I was talking about forming in this tail end of a stalled frontal boundary. As it develops and taps into the moisture of Willa, it will probably spread its moisture right across the northern Gulf Coast and eventually drag this cold front, along with another cold front, through our area as we head into Friday. Once that happens, we'll probably watch kind of a mix of sun and clouds deteriorate and get more clouds and windier sky, windier conditions, and probably an excellent chance of rainfall on Friday. Good news is it's all gone by the weekend, and we're left with some very pleasant weather. Northeast wind today comes in at about 15 to 20, kind of subsiding a little bit during the second half of the day, but still breezy, giving you a choppy condition on bay and inland waters. We'll look for 2 to 4 foot seas. And then as we head into the next 7 days, looks pretty good for the first half of the week. We'll look for temperatures that hover around the 85 degree mark with nighttime lows slightly warmer for the next several mornings, but not that bad, coming in around 70 degrees. Then as we head into the second half of the week, that's when we start to be impacted by that low pressure area developing. It moves closer to us. We get a little bit more cloud cover. We increase our rain chances. We get breezy on Friday, and we develop that chance of showers. Probably non-severe weather, but we'll be monitoring that. But particularly, there could be some thunderstorm activity and some heavier rainfall. Then as we head into the weekend, it's all gone. Our temperatures drop another 5 degrees. We'll look at temperatures hovering around the 80 mark with nighttime lows in the mid-60s.